You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French basketball player. Plays in the Greek Basketball League and the Euro League. For more confusing basketball names or names from basketball stadium, we've got tons coming up. French pronunciation, the way he would say it: Mathias Lessort with a silent T. Mathias Lessort. Therefore, the English pronunciation, the way you can easily say it in English, is as Mathias Lessort, not Lessort. Lessort, silent T. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.